Entebekanisa zo kwesimira emyaka 25 Kinoni High School yasyo muheza kandi eri kukora kurungi babandize no kuyonja tawuni ya Kinoni ahi batandikira hari Kinoni Health Center ya kana bati baketerera tawuni ya Kinoni nuko kuhenderera hambuga nkuru za district ya Rampara. Omukuburo kuri Reverend Emmanuel Munyaneza omulisa wose abadikondo bwa Kinoni asimira bakuru bishemereri abo kutandika hwe rishomero agumuzengurujira abantu bingi abantu baroya ba engineer nabandi.
25 years of existence, that silver jubilee. Give thanks the Lord. This school has produced doctors, it has produced lawyers, it has produced engineers.
We thank the administration, most importantly the directors, Mr. Muhumuza John and Madam Imelda, who groomed us.
Mwejikandika head boy wishomero hitu munonga kubandi twegesa bingi munonga nk'emico nanokugamba omubantu tokunda okundi smart egogona n'amani ga high school.
Abiroho no kutongoza okurundana sente ezokumbeka science laboratory kandi ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe buguzibwe okwirukanjije Hureji.
Other schools have equally performed well, including Kinoni Girls. Of late, they have tremendously improved. And the primary schools and large high school, all these schools, that's why I'm happy to report that the education in Rampara is doing very well.
Most important, however, is to celebrate the success story of this school, of Kinoni High School, since its inception or opening.
So noreba Kinoni High School emyaka emazira 25 etireho ibare akurakurana yihanga nakurakurana ya Rampara na no kwetwariza hamwe akurakurana ya Western Uganda nkitu.
Mukoro gona Minister Alice Kaboyo byari mujyenyi mukuru asimira abantu abayesere ntunguko mbyanga byabo agumuzengu bakwatero government omyentunguka.
Today I'm going to contribute 5 million to the laboratory, and my office, out of micro project, I'm going to also give you 5 million.